So my name is Anisa Koci and I'm the Port Principal Project Manager. I currently undertake the major capital projects at the port, the delivery from the start time up to the delivery of the project.
And can you just give a brief explanation of the importance of Portsmouth as a port and the type of vessels that are constantly using the port?
So Portsmouth International Port is a municipal port, so we are owned by the council. We are a medium to large port classified by DFT, so we are a critical part of the council and of the South England as well when it comes to bringing the produce and then operating this transport element with the ferries and the cruises as well. So we are quite a critical port in South England.
We've heard that there's quite a few pressures and drives to try and electrify and provide shore power in ports worldwide, especially in Europe. What is Portsmouth doing to provide shore power to vessels that use the port?
So we emphasize the same principle. So we think it's very important that we introduce the shore power as an infrastructure for ships to be able to come and plug in at our ports. This is mainly because of the electrification of the ships is going to reduce the carbon emission. So what we're doing at the moment is we are undertaking a big major infrastructure project installing shore power to all of our berths, berth number 2, 3 and 4 at the port, where we're going to simultaneously be able to plug in shore power for ferries and cruises as well at the same time. So yeah, we are currently undertaking a 24 million pounds project, and we are halfway into delivering this shore power infrastructure at our port.
Okay. And you spoke about some of the partners that are involved in this project. Could you elaborate on those?
So yeah, we have around 6 partners which are elaborated and are part of the project. Is MSc, is University of Portsmouth, and undertaking some more research as well. Is Better for Things, and we have other stakeholders as well, which is Brittany Ferries, undertaking the build of the ferries for this project. And then we have other consultants and contractors as well, which are delivering the project. We have Atkins Realis, we have Barfubitis, and then we have ABB as well, which are providing all the electrical equipment to be installed at the port.
You told me earlier, outside of the presentation, that the port already provides power to some tugboats. Could you give some details of that?
Yes, so we have provided a small shore power capacity at the port. So we have the tugs, SMS tugs, which can actually plug at our port as we speak at the moment.
Okay. And how much sort of power do they require?
It's around 1 kilovolts that they require. So it's quite a small capacity compared to the shore power, which we are now providing around 50 kilovolts by the NDO, by the grid. So the tugs needs a smaller amount of electricity to be plugged in at our port.
Okay. And on the shore power to the ferries project, when do you anticipate that to be online and charging the first ferry?
So we are anticipating for it to be online from June 2025, so in around 4 months' time. We are anticipating to complete the project, have the electrification as well, and then start plugging in.
Okay. And what's the future of this project and other potential shore power projects?
So when we complete the project towards end of June 2025, then we have a 3 years demonstration period, meaning that for these 3 years it's going to be data collection, when we're going to actually have the lessons learned of the project, see what is working well on the project, and then have of these Better for Things is going to install at the port harbour entrance, Portsmouth harbour entrance, and around the port some sensors where we can actually capture the CO2 emission. So we can see actually how much the project is working, how beneficial it is for the city and for the port.